Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a exciting video. I saw this palette on Instagram and I decided to pick it up at Walmart. That's where I got the last one. I'll talk about that in a minute. But this is the Hard Candy Look Pro eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. It has a really small mirror, but then it has all of these really pretty shades. Now, I did do a video on a palette very similar to this. It's still by Hard Candy. It's just different colors. And I will link that video down below, but that's what this one looks like. So this one's all mattes, and this one has a row of mattes all the way on the bottom, and then the rest are shimmers. So this is them side-by-side comparison. This is the old one, and this is the new one. These do retail for anywhere between $8 and $10, I believe. I forgot exactly how much, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen. So the only thing really different about the packaging is that this has the black studs and this one has like a rose gold studs. And I know this palette literally just came out this month or last month, which is perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm going to be doing like a Valentine's Day eye look basically. And the only other thing I can find that's kind of different about the palette is on the back it tells you like has like a diagram of eyes and what you're supposed to do with the eyeshadow. And then on this one it actually has colors, like the name of the colors on it. And this one does not. So it does tell you the name of the colors on the back, but I won't be telling you, oh, I'm using this color, because I don't want to keep like looking at the back and it's just annoying. So I'll just be pointing at the colors and be showing you. And I'm also going to be doing swatches in the video. So let's just get started. Okay, so first I'm going to be doing the swatches. So I'm not going to lie, this very first shade right here feels very glittery and like chalky. Oh, okay, yeah, that did not show up very well either. Okay, dipping in the second color. So these are the swatches of the very first row right here. I'm not really sure if you can see it well, but they're honestly not that pigmented, and the shimmer feels very chalky. Okay, and this is the second row. The very last color in the second row actually is a matte, like, hot pink. And these are the rest of the shimmers left in the palette. The second row definitely did swatch a lot better, the darker colors. But the first row, so far, I'm not impressed with at all. But the second one is going good. Okay, and this is the very last row. The very first one is just like a plain beige color that you can't really see. It's just kind of a color to go all over your lid. And then we have the rest of the matte. These ones swatched beautifully. They are pretty pigmented for being drugstore. Even the black is quite nice for a drugstore black. Most drugstore black eyeshadows suck. And then I really, really do love the red. There is a red in the first palette that they came out with, but it's a much darker red. So yeah, I'm very impressed with these mattes so far. Alright you guys, I zoomed you in. I'm going to get started on the eyes. I always use eyeshadow primer no matter what. So I'm going to be using the Kat Von D eyeshadow primer. It looks like this. I actually just got this at Marshall's and it was only $5, so that is a steal. So I'm just going to be applying this all over my eye and blending it in with my finger. And then I'm going to be taking this beige color right here on my finger and patting that in. Okay, so there's that color, and I put that all the way up to my brow bone. Okay, now I'm just taking my e.l.f. crease brush, and I think, I'm going to be going in with this light brown shade right here. Very lightly, just going to be putting that in my crease. So far I am noticing this is a little bit hard to blend. Not too hard, just a little hard, but it's workable. Okay, and now I'm going to be going in with this shade right here and also blending that up in my crease with a different e.l.f. brush. So this one is very, very pigmented so far, easy to blend. Okay, now I think I'm going to be trying this shimmer out right here. I think honestly the best way to apply this is going to be wet. I'm not sure though, so I think I'm just going to take this little brush that actually came with the palette and I'm going to wet it. And I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Okay, so the color is not too bad, but it's definitely, this look is just definitely blending all together because I'm using too many pinks, I think. Okay, and on the other brush that came with it, I'm going to be using this side, and I'm going to be wetting it again. And then I'm going to take this lighter pink right here. This lighter pink right here. I'm so sorry. I don't even think that you guys saw the colors I was dipping into. I'm horrible at doing this. Anyways, I'm just going to be using that as a inner corner highlight. Yeah, you can kind of see that. Okay, so I think this look is just a little bit too pink. So just to darken some things up, I'm going to be actually going in with the black shade on my BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to be adding some depth. Just in the outer corner right here. I feel like a throwback to my scene face. I feel like I would wear this eyeshadow when I was like a scene kid. Okay, and now on my Veramona brush, I'm just going to be taking this shimmery color right here, like a shimmery white. And I'm going to be placing that underneath my brow bone. I did not wet this shade because I don't want this shade to be like too intense underneath there. So that is the completed finished eye look right here. So now I just have to add some eyeliner and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and did a very thin line of eyeliner. I didn't do winged eyeliner or anything like that, and I did it with my e.l.f. eyeliner that I always use. The eyelashes that I'm using are the Ardell Wispy Lashes, my absolute favorite. Then I went ahead and actually, with the black color from the Hard Candy shade, I went ahead and put a little tiny bit on my lash line. And for my lips, I went ahead and used the Tarteist lip paint in the color Rose and the liquid lipstick by Kat Von D in Ludwig. I don't know how to pronounce it. But anyways, I'm using that as a combo on my lips. And then I'm just going to go ahead and zoom you into my eye look for the final product. So my final review on this palette is I'm kind of mixed and torn between it right now. I do like it. I think that you have to work with it a little bit, but I don't really mind that. It is workable. I mean, I think the reason why I'm so mixed about it is because I'm not really feeling this eyeshadow look. I got it to like work, but I don't know. I just feel like I look like my eyes look like a scene kid, like back in 2014. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? I just feel like this is something I would have wore when I was 14, so I feel like a little kid right now, to be honest. But whatever, it's like February, it's close to Valentine's Day. That's my excuse for wearing pink on my eyes. But honestly, I really do believe that the eyeshadow they came out with before this one is a lot better. I love this eyeshadow palette. I highly recommend it to anybody. It's very cheap and affordable, and it's just amazing. I can't say enough good things about this palette. And this one, like I said, is gorgeous. It has gorgeous colors, and it is workable. Like, you can work with it if you feel like that. I know some people don't have any patience for that. So if you're one of those people, obviously this eyeshadow palette isn't for you. But for the price point, it definitely is worth it. I think I just have to play around with it a little bit more. Maybe next time I won't go towards the pinks, because I can create another really pretty look with this eyeshadow palette. I might not record it, but I will leave my Instagram, my makeup Instagram down below, so you guys can check out any looks that I do there. I will definitely be creating another look with this eyeshadow palette, like, for sure in the future. So that's it for this tutorial slash review. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, definitely give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.